Introducing solids to your baby is a milestone moment. Let's talk about the first foods and the best order to start them. Begin with single-grain cereals like rice or oatmeal mixed with breast milk or formula. They're easy to digest and a great first step. Next, try pureed vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes or peas. Introduce one at a time to check for allergies. Once veggies are accepted, move to fruits. Start with mashed bananas, applesauce or pears for a sweet, healthy treat. Introduce soft proteins like mashed lentils or pureed chicken. By 8 to 10 months, add finger foods like avocado or soft-cooked veggies. Remember, every baby is different. Go slow, introduce one food at a time, and have fun exploring together. Subscribe for more parenting tips and baby milestones. Let's make mealtime special.